Hi everyone, it's Tammy and Buzz, and I got a package. I am sitting on my couch and I don't have my tripod, but I ordered some stuff from Polka Dot Creek and it is really cute. This is from Alberta, Canada, Airdrie, Alberta, Canada, I don't know, but I got her Valentine yarn and they are both called Valentine, but I got one that is mohair and one that is sock yarn, and I thought that I would hold them together. Look at that boy. What do you think? I'm going to hold them together and make a wonderful hat or something like that for myself. I just thought the color was just perfect. I couldn't not get it. So let's see, this mohair, like I said, it is called Valentine. And it's kid silk lace weight, 72% kid mohair, 28% silk, 459 yards, and 50 grams. So wow, look at that halo. That is just crazy. And then this one is 463 yards. It's interesting that you get more of this. I would have thought for sure that I would have gotten more of the other one. But it's 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 100 grams. I guess that's the difference because this one is 50 grams, so it's twice the, you get almost the same amount of yardage for half the weight. So that's interesting, but it's very cool. And I love them together. So I got those. And then I also got a nice worsted weight, and this is in the color Frost, and it's like a mint green. It's beautiful. And this is 100% superwash merino, 100 grams, 220 yards of worsted weight. And again, it is Polka Dot Creations. And then she also sells buttons, and she has a special that if you buy, I think it's 3, you get 1 free. So yes, that's it. So I found 3, and they're just assorted buttons. And I think these were called copper. So there's different sizes and shapes, and they weren't expensive at all. I don't remember how much they were, but I got the copper and this beautiful gray, and then a brown. I think this brown one was the one I picked for free. And then I got a blue. So it's like a baby ice blue. And look at the different shapes. That's so cool. That one you can see the shapes pretty good. And they're all like that. They have different shapes. They're not all the same. It's just a combination of different buttons. I'm sure whatever she had. There's some really tiny ones. I see a couple of super small ones in here. And then, I don't know, probably up to about an inch or so. This one has a weird hole pattern. Can you see? It's like a diamond shape. There's 4 holes, but it's in a diamond shape. So that's what I got. And again, the name of the store is Polka Dot Creek, and I will leave a link below so you can check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.